Hi, welcome back to Digital Toolcase. In this video I want to show you some of the latest features about Systeme.io, this very good all-in-one marketing platform. As I said in my previous Systeme video, I highly suggest you to try Systeme because you can start for free, you can do many things for free if you are just starting out or if you are using another platform, maybe like ClickFunnels or Kajabi or something similar. Well, you may find Systeme ideal for you and way cheaper than other tools. But in this video I want to focus on one of the latest features, a very important one. It's the new file manager. Then I will show you some other little improvements implemented since the start of this 2025. Before diving in, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and now let's talk about this new main feature, the file manager. Systeme also have a very good Facebook group for support, for new ideas, for updates, and in this group we can see one by one all the latest updates. This is from 24th of January. We made it happen, the new file manager is now here. So you can access the Files page under the Assets menu element. I will show you in a moment. You can upload your files, documents, images, videos, audios, and you can manage your files. You can download, rename, delete, and so on. This is very important. Deleting a file from the file manager won't affect its use on funnel pages, on community posts, or other locations. It's important because you are sure not to mess up with your pages, even if you delete one file by error or for anything else. Then they also added some powerful tools like search function, so you can find the files by their names, filter options, and sorting. So let's go in Systeme.io dashboard here. This is the asset menu where you also have a physical products database, you have coupons, you have courses, you have communities, and you have this new files section. This is the file manager, the new file manager in Systeme. As you can see, I have some example files here. You can just click here and upload your files by dragging and dropping or by clicking here and choosing your file. Let's say I want to upload this image, I click upload and that's it. Here it is. I can go here and have my file details, or I can download it, I can rename it or delete it. That's it for this very useful file manager. And this is just one way to upload images. You can upload them directly from here, but this is also a repository of all the files you upload from others sections. So maybe you are editing a sales funnel or a blog post or a course, a community post, and so on, and you will find all your uploaded files here, so you can manage them. And this is a long-awaited feature here in Systeme.io, but that's not the only new feature in this 2025. So let's go again here, and starting from the 1st of January, we can see some pretty interesting updates. For example, exciting update digital store automations are here. You can now set up automations using the digital store from subscription complete trigger. This works exclusively with the collect emails opt-in product, and this is an example on how you use it. It's very easy to use. You can go to options, collect emails, and create your automation rule and set actions. Here is where you can generate your digital store, and also for free. I don't have one at the moment, but when you have one, you can go then to automations and create your rules here. Another little update, it's a better navigation for this menu. Now under the CRM menu, you have different things like contacts, tags, pipelines, and calendar. Even this one is a very interesting new tool. They improved how attachments are displayed in community posts. Before you had something like these, when many attachments were on the same post, for example, and now you have something different. You have something like this, so you can navigate between attachments, but you don't have them squeezed anymore. And again, we added confirmation notifications in the community feature, just a little improvement like this. We have made it easier to add bookings to your calendar. This is an example of the calendar feature, and even this one is free with Systeme when you are starting out. We have implemented new opt-in limits to protect your forms, so you can decide if you want to place limits on opt-ins to avoid blocking spam attempts. They happen, unfortunately. We have improved the Zoom integration for more reliability, so this again is a very useful new feature in Systeme. Mercado Pago is now available for digital store payments. If you want to also use or add this Mercado Pago payment method to have more payment flexibility for your clients, we've added automatic course reminders, so you can have your reminder settings and edit them here. This is an example of the settings you can use here. Who should receive this reminder, the sending frequency, and so on. This is another page for these reminder settings, and again other options you can choose. And you can obviously include these reminders into your emails and newsletters by using these placeholders, these automatic placeholders here. Very useful. That's not all, because again on February 3rd you can now add GIFs to your posts and comments in community. Pretty interesting to add something like this, very hilarious GIFs. And you can now upload audio files in community posts. Now you have this microphone icon to upload audios. We've made adding links to comments in communities easier. This is an example of the before and after. So by clicking this link button, you have a pop-up where you can insert the link you want. And this is the latest one. Admins can now decline posts and ban authors in communities. When you manage a community now, you can do these very useful things like decline post, ban someone. That's pretty important when you manage a community, to keep it clean from haters or from spammers. And as you can see, they are implementing many new features. Systeme.io is really becoming a must-have for pretty much all online businesses. I want to show you again these very good pricing plans, because as always I say you can start for free with many features, because for free you can have up to 2000 contacts, you can send unlimited emails, you can generate 3 sales funnels, you can have one blog with unlimited blog posts, you can create one course with unlimited students, you can create one community with unlimited members, you have unlimited file storage, one automation rule, one workflow, you have Google Sheets integration, you have one tag, one email campaign with active campaign and SendGrid integration, one-click upsells, A/B test, one coupon code, and again deadline funnels, student activity history, and all these features. You can also use APIs with limits, obviously, email support, one custom domain, and these are the features you don't have with this free account, evergreen webinars, or free migration, or one-on-one Kickstarter coaching session. For this, or if you need higher limits, because obviously when you are starting out your business, you may find these very useful to learn the platform, to see if you like it, and then you may want to go up with these plans. But even the unlimited one, this highest one, is way cheaper than all all the other tools like this you can find on the market. Believe me, it's really way cheaper, and if you choose an annual plan, as you can see, you may do your calculations, but this is very good. Okay, maybe they still don't have the most advanced, super advanced features you may think of, but as you can see, they are implementing new features week by week, and in the last few months they are really keeping up with updates, many updates, many user requests satisfied. So this is what I call listening to the community and create the best product for the users' needs. And this is Systeme with the latest new updates. I hope you found this video useful. You can obviously find the link in the description so you can try Systeme, use it for free, even for free forever and without credit card if you just need these features. Or if you need more, you can go up step by step. Again, link is in the description. I highly suggest you to create a free plan if you still don't have one with Systeme. That's it for this video. Click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. I made other videos about Systeme. If you are interested and want to watch them, you can just click here or you can find the links in the description. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon in the next one.